we'll guide you through how to add reverb in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the Fairlight page, which is specifically designed for audio editing. Look for the track where you want to add reverb, and click on it to select it. Now, head over to the right-hand side where you'll find the Mixer panel. If you don't see it, you can bring it up by clicking on the Mixer button in the toolbar at the top. In the Mixer panel, locate the Effects section for your track. Click on the plus sign to add a new effect. This will open up the list of available audio effects. Scroll down to find and select Reverb. Once you click on it, the reverb effect will be added to your track. Now, you can double-click on the reverb effect in the Effects section to open its settings. Here, you can adjust various parameters like pre-delay, decay, and mix to tailor the reverb to your liking. Experimenting with these settings allows you to create a space that fits the mood of your audio. If you're unsure what each setting does, you can hover over the controls for a brief description. Once you're satisfied with the reverb settings, close the panel and play back your track to hear the changes. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the settings by reopening the reverb effect. Remember to save your project to ensure all your changes are kept. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.